In this video, we'll show you how to install the native mod menu for GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Native mod menu is one of the best mod menus that actually works on GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. It lets you customize gameplay, spawn vehicle, and change player settings. But take note that this mod is only for offline use. Using mods in GTA Online can get you banned, so stick to story mode and offline gameplay. So now let's download native mod menu. You can open up your browser and go to gta5mods.com. I'll leave the link in the description, so once you're here, you can click the download button and then click download again. Save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and it should start downloading. Next, you also need Squidbook V. You can go to this website, and once you're here, hover down a bit and click the blue download link. Once both downloads are done, you should have two zip files, native mod menu and Squidbook V. Now to install the mods, you'll need your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. You can go to these paths here on the screen depending on your platform. Before installing, you'll want to extract both zip files. So right click on native mod menu and select extract all and then hit extract. You're gonna do the same for Squidbook V. Right click, extract all and extract it. After you extracted both, you can delete the zip files to save space. Now let's install Squidbook V first. Open the extracted Squidbook V folder, go to the bin folder inside it, and here what we need is Squidbook V, the input 8, and native trainer ASI. You simply need to put these files into your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. And now we can install native mod menu. You can go back and open up the extracted native mod menu, and then we're gonna put both files into your GTA 5 Enhanced folder. So let's go ahead and do that. Drag and drop it, and that's done. Before you launch GTA 5 on Rockstar Games Launcher, hop into settings and uncheck Battle Eye before you start the game. This will make sure you don't accidentally go online and risk getting banned. Once you're in the game, you can press page down key on your keyboard to open the native mod menu. And that's it. Native mod menu is fully installed and ready to use.